Hello friends, in our today's video we will see how to install WordPress into our system. So for that we will go to Google Chrome or any other browser. Now here we will type www.wordpress.org. WordPress.org is the official website from where we will download our WordPress. Here we will click on Get WordPress. Now here download WordPress 5.5.1, which is the latest version of WordPress. So now you have to click over here. I already downloaded, so I will not download it again. So now after the download completes, you will see the folder like this, WordPress 5.5.1. So now we will extract it. We have extracted. Okay. Now we will rename it to WordPress underscore anything like demo WordPress 1. Okay, enter. Now we will move this folder into our XAMPP htdocs folder. So for that we will go to this PC, C drive, and then XAMPP and htdocs, and we will paste it over here. Okay, by the time it's get copied, we will start our XAMPP server. Okay, now you have to start Apache and MySQL both. So once it gets started, we will here open new tab and we will type localhost / php my admin. Okay, now we'll click on new and we'll write we'll give database name as underscore demo. Okay, so here our database has been created. Okay, now let's get back to our folder. Okay, it has been pasted. Now okay, now we'll type local host / WordPress 1. It will take some time to start the installation of the WordPress. Okay, here you can see WordPress setup configuration file has been loaded. On this page, we will see lots of languages. By default, English United States has been selected, so we will continue. You can choose as per your convenience. Now here a message is welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information on the database. Okay, so we will click on let's go. Now here we will enter our database name which we created. So it is gif underscore demo. Now our username is here root and password is nothing. Okay, rest of the settings will keep as it is. That is the database host and table prefix and all. So we'll click on submit and done. Now we have to run the installation. Okay, here you have to provide site title. Okay, we will provide demo underscore WordPress. Username is required here because we have to log it to edit our website. So for that we have to provide our username. That can be user1 or anything you can keep. This is the by default password provided by the WordPress configuration file. We will change it to anything like user1 underscore 1 2 3 4. Okay, Now if you use the weak password, you have to click confirm use of weak password. And now we'll provide email ID, that is demo@gmail.com. You can provide your email ID here, and now we'll click on install WordPress. Okay, see, it has given us a success message, that is our WordPress has been successfully installed. Now we have to click over here, that is on login button. We'll click on login. Okay, here you have to provide username, that is user1, and user password, that is user1 underscore. Now we'll click on login. See, we can see our dashboard has been successfully loaded. So now that's it for today. We'll explore more features into our next upcoming videos.